Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Netflix login error on iPhone. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device. For now, I'm just gonna launch App Store here. Now once you are here, simply tap on the option of search at the bottom right corner. Now just simply go to the search bar and search for Netflix. Now simply tap open the application. Now over here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that your Netflix application is updated to its latest version. This is one of the reasons why your Netflix application is causing you login errors. Now let's go to another step. Open settings on your mobile device. Now once you are here, scroll down and tap open the option of general. Now again, tap on the option of iPhone storage. Now once you are here, scroll down below and tap open Netflix application over here. Now once you are here, tap on the option of offload app. Now tap on offload app again. By doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now tap on reinstall app. Now wait for some time until your Netflix application has been reinstalled. By doing this, your login errors will be fixed. Also, make sure that you have entered the correct password of your Netflix account. So by following these steps, your problem will be fixed. And that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.